In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project on itch.io quickly and safely. If you've got an old game, test project, or draft page you no longer want on your account, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can remove it without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and platform tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or creator page. This is important because the delete option will only appear for projects that belong to the account you're currently using. Next, look at the top of the page and click Dashboard. This will take you to the area where all of your uploaded projects are listed. On your dashboard, find the project you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right one, because once it's deleted, you may not be able to recover it easily. After you've found the correct project, click Edit on that project. This opens the settings and management page for the game or project. From here, you'll be able to change details, manage visibility, and access deletion options. Now scroll down through the project settings until you see the Delete Game button. Depending on your screen size and how much information is on the page, you may need to scroll a little farther than expected. Once you find it, click Delete Game. Itch.io will usually ask you to confirm this action before it happens, because deleting a project is permanent. When the confirmation box appears, click OK to finish the process. At that point, itch.io will delete the project from your account. After that, the project should no longer appear on your dashboard or public page. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project on itch.io. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. And now you can clean up your account by removing old or unnecessary projects whenever you need to. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.